Hey guys, it's Susanna Kitchen here. Today I make corn salad with cucumber, yellow sweet capsicum, and also melodia, lemon, Caesar sauce, and that's it guys. So good, perfect, so creamy salad. Look at that guys, so beautiful. We will try now. So good. Yummy.